Hello everyone. Today we are going to start new topic, that is topic number 27. The dreadful guest. Dreadful means what here? Fearful. Means you will cause fear. Means you will feel fear. Like this one guest is there in this lesson. Who is that? We'll see now. Once upon a time, the king of Russia decided to hold a grand feast. Feast means a large meal. Means on many occasions, maybe like marriage, any celebration it is that time feast it is there, means we have food, that is called here feast. And like this feast or grand feast, it was held by a king of Russia. He invited princes, rich merchants, brave warriors, and all the important people in his kingdom. For feast he invited princes, means king, rich merchants. Now merchant means what? Traders who sell good, that person is called merchant. After brave warriors were there and all the important peoples in his kingdom, they were invited for this feast. On the night of feast, the king and his guests sat together at a long table in the banquet hall. A banquet means what? Feast. Feast hall was there. There all these guests and the king was sitting. They talked and laughed and everyone was happy. Suddenly, a huge animal burst into the hall. Burst means what here? Entered suddenly. It was a horrible looking dragon. Dragon means what here? An imaginary animal. This dragon is not real animal. On imagination, this animal is created. This animal was as tall as a tree, as broad as a house, with teeth like spikes and claws like knives. Here spikes means what? Sharp point. And claws means what? Nails. Now his teeth, they were like a sharp points, and his nails was like knives. His skin was hard and scaly and his eyes red. How was his skin? Hard and scaly. Scaly means what? Thin, hard part. And his eyes was red. Red hot flames shot forth from his mouth and black smoke from his nostrils. Flames means fire. Shot forth means come quickly out. And nostril means what here? Either of the two external opening in the nose. We say in Marathi naak pudya. That means what here? Nostrils. Now here see what is given. Red hot flames means fire. It come out of the mouth of this dragon, and black smoke. You know smoke? That smoke come from the nostrils of that dragon. Now this dragon was also a very mean creature. He was a mean creature means what here? Unkind. He was a bad creature or bad animal. He loved to be a spoiled sport and kill joy. What he loved? To be a spoiled sport. Now spoiled sport means what? To stop others from enjoying. He don't like that other is enjoying and he try to stop that. And kill joy means if anyone is enjoying, stop or prevent that enjoying that people. That is called killjoy. He walked straight to the head of the table and pushed himself between the king and queen. What he has done? Himself he has pushed. Between whom? King and queen. Everyone stopped talking. Everyone was scared. Means everyone was afraid because of this dragon. Well, not everyone. The brave warrior Ivan was not afraid of the dragons. Means those who were in that on the table they were sitting, they were afraid of this dragon, but one person was there, he was not afraid. Who is that person? A brave warrior Ivan. He was not afraid of dragons. What a rude impolite creature you are, he said angrily. Miss Ivan said what a rude impolite creature you are, he said this to dragon. Students, you can see picture of dragon here. He is as tall as a tree and as broad as a house. The picture of dragon, it is shown here. See. Just then the servants brought in the food and set the platters. Platters means what? Large plates on the table. But before they had a chance to serve the food to king and the queen and the gates, the dragon began to gobble up everything. Means before the food was served to the king, queen, and guest, the dragon began to gobble. Gobble means to eat food fast. Means very fast he started to eat the food. The king and the queen did not know what to do. Means they were now thinking what to do now for this animal. Nobody could stop the dragon. Means king and queen, they also did not know what to do for this animal. Nobody could stop the dragon, but Ivan spoke up again. What Ivan spoke? Nobody has ever taught you any manners, I can see. He said, I hope you choke on the food you are gobbling up so greedily. Greedily means what here? Very eager. Means very eagerly you are eating this food. No one has taught you any manners like this, Ivan said to dragon. Choke means to stop the breath off. Ivan is saying, I hope you choke on the food you are gobbling up so greedily, means very eagerly. You are eating that, you stop your breathing also. Like this, very eagerly you are gobbling, eating food very fast. Now, this was more than the dragon could stand. Means this thing was there that he can do now more than. What he done, see? He puffed out fire. Means out of his mouth, he take out the fire and sprang to his feet. Means the fire sprang where? To the feet of the Ivan. I dare you to come out and fight with me. Ivan means dragon is saying to Ivan what? I dare you to come and fight with me. He roared, means he make a loud noise or sound. And what he said? Are you ready? Of course, said Ivan. Ivan also say, of course, I am ready. I am ready to fight with you. Remaining part we will see in next video. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 62 and 63. And you have to write the meanings one time and spellings you have to underline. New words you have to underline and you have to write that new words 2 times. Thank you.